Hello, my name is Moica. I'm from Homeschooling 24. Two of my teenagers are invited for a birthday party at our friends. Since we are vegan, my friends have quite some challenges to prepare appropriate cake for us. So today we've decided to make our own cake and bring it as a present. For this occasion, we choose the easy raw flourless chocolate cake from Unconventional Baker. For preparation of this cake, we're going to use Cuisinart food processor and Vitamix blender. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prepare the flour from almonds, I usually use a cup, that is my measure, and in this recipe we need 3 cups of almond flour. Since I didn't have almond flour, I simply mixed the almonds to get the flour. Since there is not enough flour, I have to blend a little bit more almonds. Now I'm adding all the needed ingredients. I simply use tablespoon as we use every day at home. This is cocoa powder, according to the recipe we shall use maple syrup. I'm going to use coconut syrup instead. Here is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Pinch of salt. vanilla extract, vanilla powder, in fact. Since we all love vanilla, I don't really care how much I put. And interesting, a little bit of pepper, black pepper. I'm going to process now all the ingredients into thick. I'm going to process all the ingredients now. Since cake is very thick, I'm going to add some water from pre-soaked dates. I'm going to hand over this cake to my daughter to place it into this cake pan. You can use this spoon if you need to. She has to flatten the cake nicely and evenly. As majority of raw cakes, we have to place also this one into the freezer. The next thing we have to prepare is the topping. It's completely chocolate topping. We are going to prepare it in our Vitamix. Here is coconut oil, this is coconut powder, some vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, agave syrup, or coconut syrup. We have to blend it. And simply pour over the cake that is in the freezer. However, we are going to wait a little bit in the freezer to set down. Girls are going to prepare the funny part. Nika is preparing a working board. Oops. Nika is preparing cutting board for sugary paste. in different colors. And together with her sister Asya, she's going to prepare some additional girls decided to make small presents from this sugar paste. Therefore, they are now folding and cutting, actually crafting out of sugar paste. Now the final touch, decorating this cake with sugar paste. Letters of the name of a friend. He's 12 years old today. Presents. Some balloons.